Now this is how to set up the Unity Wireless APN settings. So simply get into the edit access point name, tap on add, and then you will get into this menu. Now name anything. So in our case we are adding like, share. You could add even your name also. So simply name it and tap on APN. Now here you have to add the wholesale, tap OK. Now scroll down to the MMSC section. Now in this section you have to be very sure you are adding what I am adding without any spaces and the exact values. So here I'm adding the whole value firstly. So as you can see, I have added the address into the MMSC section. Either you can go onto the link given in the description to the website. You can copy the exact same thing and paste it here. Tap on OK. Scroll down a little bit and there is a MMSC option. So simply add 310 to this. And in the MNC, which is mobile network code, you have to add 240. Tap OK. And there is a multimedia port which is 8080. Tap OK. Now there is a APN type which is one of the crucial things in order to send or receive messages or in order to send text messages, right? Now for this you have to visit the website. This is how we monetize our content because YouTube doesn't pay us that much and with the such low views. So simply get to the website, copy the exact theme which is something like default and etc etc. So simply copy here, paste it here. So we have done the configuration here. Now simply tap on these three vertical dots, tap on save, and yeah, voila, you have successfully saved the Unity Wireless APN settings.